Hello everybody, Earned a Worm here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the new Doc McStuffins Play-Doh kit. So let's go ahead and get it open. And it comes with 3 cans of Play-Doh. Have a purple, a pink, and a blue. Okay. Comes with a small pink extruder. Squeeze your Play-Doh out of it. Now if I can get all this tape off of it. You have her little stamp of her little sheep doll. And we'll stamp one of them out in just a second. And this has a Band-Aid stamp on it and a heart stamp. And it goes on your stethoscope. Click it on there like that. And there's a stamp of her blue dinosaur. And we'll stamp one of them out in just a second. And a book which has 3 different stamps in it. Looks like you have a little snowman and then her little teddy bear that helps her and a crayon, and we'll stamp them all out in just one second. And that's all in the box. And this heart stamp, which has Doc's face in it. Okay. So now let's open up the blue Play-Doh. If I can get it out of there. There it is. Okay. Let's start with the blue dinosaur. Let's make a stamp of him and see how well that works. Press him down. And that worked really well. Peel that extra off. And there you have a stamp of her blue dragon. Next, let's do the sheep with this pink. If I can get it out of the can. Okay. Press her down. Okay, let me try that again. Now let's see. I know Doc's name, but I don't know the toys' names. But I do think it is a little sheep. So there's the pink sheep. Uh-oh. See if I can get her to stand up. There. Okay. Now let's try the extruder. See how well it works. You just press your Play-Doh down in it. Then you take this part, put it down in there. Uh-oh. And then you push it out. And you get a nice thin line. Almost looks like a piece of bubble gum. So there's the extruder, and that worked pretty well. Now let's get the purple Play-Doh out. If I can get this one out of the can. Ah, there we go. And let's make a press in the book. Let's do a crayon first. Shouldn't need a whole lot for the crayon. And this purple is actually, I don't know if you can tell on the video, but it's actually sparkly. Close the book up. And I do know that this is the Big Book of Boo-Boos. So there's our purple crayon. That came out really good. Okay, now let's try the snowman. Let's do the snowman in blue. Need to get the rest of my purple out. Okay, and just press it down. And that one came out really good. There's our blue snowman. Okay. Now get the extra out. Let's see if we have enough pink left to do the stuffed bear that helps her out all the time. Press it down. And there she is. I was calling her a bear, and now that I look at this, she looks more like a hippo. So it may be a hippo. I'm not real sure. But there she is. Put her down. Okay. Now lastly, let's try out the Band-Aid stamp on the stethoscope. I'm going to push it down on the table. Okay. And there is your purple Band-Aid. Even has a little heart in it. So that worked pretty well. Now let's do a heart. Let's do the heart in blue, which is on the other side of the stethoscope. Press that down. And there's your heart. And that's a really nice Play-Doh heart. Now let's do the heart with Doc McStuffins in it. That's a pretty big one, so I'll probably have to use the whole can. Press that down. And there's the heart with Doc McStuffins in it. So that's all you get with the Play-Doh Doc McStuffins Doctor Kit. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.